guys, in today's video I'm going to be trading a Tralalero Tralala. Guys, I hope I pronounced it well. So we're going to be trading a Brainrot God. That is a Tralalero Tralala. Guys, I never know how to pronounce this thing, so you guys have to bear with me. So I'm going to grab it so yeah, you guys can see what this thing does, guys. It gives you 50k. Yes, guys, 50k per second. It means that for those of you who need money to either rebet or any other thing, this is what you need. And I am trading this, guys. I'm trading it, guys. Guys, I want to have this at the bottom of my base. Yes, I want to take it to the bottom of my base and I'm going to place it there, guys. Yes, so what are you guys going to do about it, guys? Let me know in the comment section if you are interested in actually trading for this, guys. Yes, let us see while we're trading. Let's see if anything nice is going to come up and pop up. Okay, we have a legendary coming out in about 1 minute. Okay, we're going to see what that is. But guys, let me know in the comment section. Let me know your offer for this particular brain god. Tell me your offer for this Brainrot god, guys. Your offer will determine what I'm going to do for this trade. So I want to trade this, guys, and let me know what your offer is. Maybe you need this. Definitely you need this. Oh guys, should I give it away? Should I give it away? Tell me. Should I do a giveaway for this? Do you want it? How bad do you want it? If you want me to do a giveaway for it, tell me how bad you want it in the comment section, and just maybe I'm gonna give it to you guys. Guys, this thing spawns money. This is what got me to 1 billion in a very short time. I've been losing my money because obviously, as you can see, I'm trying to get to max rebet. So definitely, if you're trying to get to max rebet like me, you know for a fact that you have to spend the money. So guys, because I want to rebet, I don't want to lose this, and that is why I want to give it to one of you guys. So can you see, guys, 50k per second, 50k per second. So let me know in the comment section while I go check what is coming here for me, guys. Let's see if something good is coming out. So I'm going to be rebirthing. Yes, and when I rebirth, I lose everything. So common sense, guys, I don't like to lose everything without giving you guys that stuff, and that is why I am doing this particular video. Who wants that? Who wants that brain god? Let me know in the comment section and I'm gonna give it to you. Okay guys, let's put it this way. It's going to definitely be a giveaway, so get it fast. So get it fast, guys. Get it fast. This is how you get it for absolutely free. This is a private server, so you're not going to be scared that anybody's going to come get it from you or going to steal it from you. No, nobody's going to steal nothing from you because it's my private server and I'm going to be giving it to you. Yes, it's a giveaway, guys. I finally decided and I'm going to be, look at this, guys. It's already at 28 million and it is growing. This is what we're talking about, guys. Is it Tralalero Tralala? So guys, this Brainrot god is up for you. It's a giveaway up for you, and all you need to do is let me know in the comment section and come get it, because like I said, guys, I'm going to rebirth. I'm trying to get to max rebirth. Yes, so I'm trying to get to max rebirth. So for sure, because I'm trying to get to max rebirth, I absolutely do not need it. I don't need it, guys. So I don't want to lose that. I rather give it to you guys instead of sell it. It's making me so much money. So which subscriber of mine is going to get that instead of staying in the line and staying forever and you don't get something as good as that? All you need to do is join me and come get it right now, guys. Yes, I'm waiting for you to come get it. Amazing, guys. Amazing. And if you don't know, guys, I do the Steal A Brainrot live stream almost every day. Yes, and that way I'm able to find amazing stuff for you guys. And what we found today is the Tralalero Tralala Brainrot god, and we are waiting for you. I am waiting for you to come get it, guys. This is my private server. Nobody is going to hassle you for it, guys. So come get it, guys. Yeah, it's 10 million if you want to buy it. So it's as good as me dashing you 10 million, and I am ready to do that for you. I know, right? I know this is for like 8k. I think I should just buy it. Yeah, 8K, it will still do something. Yeah, let's just buy it.
Gorillo
Okay.
Watermelon Drillo.
We bought it. Yeah. So guys, I'm waiting for you. Like I said, I'm going to rebet. I don't mind rebetting all of this, small stuff, but I don't want to rebet something that is giving 50K per second. That's a lot of money, guys. 50K per second, and I want to give that money to you. I bought it at 10 million, and it's giving me 50K per second. It's helping me 50K per second. So for sure, this is the place for you to be. Come get it. I'm waiting for you. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'm waiting for you to come get your brain rot god, guys. Remember to like this video, subscribe, because I do this every single day, so you don't miss out of any of the videos, guys. Subscribe. This, as you can see, this is my private server. And yes, guys, subscribe and leave a comment and hit the notification bell so you know when I put out the videos, so you can comment and come get it. I want to give it to you. I'm super excited. I love you guys. You guys are super amazing. Take care. See you in the next video. And